This is how I attach cable ties to my Moza Air 2, so I can use my shoulder strap with it. Remember that they have a 50-pound or 22.6 kilogram weight load capacity. The ones I found from a local hardware store were too short, so this is how I make them work for me. You will actually be using 3 cable ties. The first cable tie actually goes around the stabilizer fully, but it's a very snug fit so that there is no room to attach the strap. My solution is to cut off the end of the second cable tie. It will be used to help bind the first and third cable ties together. Here you see where we will be running the second tie in the same direction as the first. Now we cut off the end of the second, and then slide it on the end of the first. We connect the first through its own sleeve, binding it tightly, and then we use the third tie through both sleeves and cut off any excess material. I use both loops of the third cable tie to hook my strap through. You want to occasionally check the cables before use to make sure they aren't worn excessively. In my own experience, I replace the cables about every 30 or 40 hours of use, but your mileage may vary. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please subscribe if this has helped you, and share so that it can help grow our channel. Thank you.